We have a few popular color models, and functionally, they all work great. There's nothing wrong with them functionally because the computer translates them to whatever code it uses and makes it work. The issue that I've found is that almost all of these are a bad developer experience. As an example, we have name color right at the top here, gray. It could also be gray with an A, and it would not change. So spell it how you want, but gray, okay? It's this 50% gray, nothing wrong with that. That is an easy name to remember. But when you start getting into the different shades, and there's around 150 to 200 different colors, all the different colors in that range, then it gets a little bit tricky. Things like bisque. Well, first, I would never even dream to name a color bisque. That just doesn't work for me. And second, knowing what color this is, I have no idea. Okay, if you take a guess, you might guess something. I would think something like a soup, bisque, but it's actually this light tannish color. And in order to find this, I didn't even make this up. I went and found a list that has all of these colors in here. And this list isn't even complete because somewhere over here in these really rich purples, we now have Rebecca purple. So it's not even a complete list, but pretty close. You know, we have seashell, there's bisque there, Navajo white, moccasin wheat, lemon chiffon, Peru. I just would not think to use these as colors. So that's a little bit foreign to me. Next to that, we have hexadecimal, and hexadecimal has been around for as long as name colors. It gives us lots and lots of colors. And the way that it works is each one of these characters is a hexadecimal number from 0 to F. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, F, which represents a range of 16 numbers. When you put that side by side with another one, so this BA, you would find out what this number is and what this number is and multiply the two together, and it will give you a number in the range of 256 different shades. These two are red, these two are blue, and these two are green, R, B, G. Again, this doesn't mean anything to me. My math is not good enough to know how this relates to a color. I might be able to guess, but I'll probably be wrong. In fact, take a guess right now. What is BADA55? Well, for the longest time, I thought it was orange because I see Chris Coyier at CSS Tricks using this a lot. It is actually green, this yellowish green color, okay? I never would have guessed that. They tried to make this easier, so each one of these is a color representing 0 to 255. They tried to make it easier by just putting that number in with RGB, and this has been around for a long time. Not as long as these two, but pretty long. And again, it works, but 186 as a red, 218 as a blue, 85 as a green. Mixing these colors in my head is an impossible dream. So if you take a guess right now, what is 186218885? It's a trick question because it's actually the exact same green. Okay? And here's the problem that we're facing. We're facing an issue where we're constantly using these color models, but I need another app in order to find out what this color is. In this case, I needed CodePen. Or I need a list of all of the different colors to help me out there. And really, if I use this list, there just aren't that many colors. Around 150 to 200, okay? Not as many as the millions and millions that we get using hex code or RGB. How can we solve this? we can do that with another color model that I will show you next.